Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, returning to ranunculus. We've done strengthening them. We have nice straight stems, and you pull up from the bottom because it's a hollow stem, and just strengthen straight into the head and then cut it off. So yes, that's a repeat. But what happens if maybe you have a stem that is curved, that has a node? Doesn't work. We had a question, and today we answer it. For that, you have to go down through the stop, and it's just tricky. You gotta feel, pay attention, make sure you don't come outside of the stem, straight down through, straight in, until it feels nice and secure. Then you can go back and cut that stem out and push it down to make sure it doesn't show. And now that too will be nice and straight and strengthened without dealing with the curvature. Now you know how the pros do it.